Hi friends, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be playing with the Morphe times Jaclyn heel. It's white, so it's not going to even show up on my camera. This is one of the eyeshadow palettes from the Vault collection that she released sometime this summer. This is the Dark Magic palette. And it's just some blues and some greens in this palette with a few like silver and bronzy shimmer shades. Now I won't get into too much detail about the quality of this palette because there have been a ton of reviews on YouTube featuring this Vault collection, and I do also have a review video on this palette. I will put it in the cards above, and I might link it down below in the description box as well, so that if you want to know more about the quality specifically of the palette, that can give you some more guidance. This is probably not a beginner friendly palette, and I think it's very inconsistent in terms of you may get a good palette and you may get a bad palette. And for me, I don't think that's like worth the risk, but for my palette in particular, I paid $15 for it. They retail for $15 and I got an okay palette, so I would say it was worth the money, but that might not happen with you. So without further ado, let's get right on into this look. So I just want to let y'all know that this look did not turn out how I wanted it to. This palette, it's a challenge. I'm just going to say that. It's a challenge. I'm first going to pick up my Morphe M441 brush and go into the shade Inside Job, which is this very deep hunter green shade right here. I'm going to pack that into my crease and then blend it out. I will say the shades are blending out a little bit better on this eye than it was on this eye. I don't know what it is. It's crazy. Next, I'm going in with the shade in my M503 brush. This is the shade right here. It's called Shh. And I'm taking that and I'm just going to blend out the edges of the green. Alright, so now it's time for me to carve out my crease. Now I'm hoping that I can get this to look the same as this one, but I guess we'll see when we come back, child. Alright, so my crease has been cut and I'm hoping that looks similar. I'm going to take my Morphe M507 brush and go back into the shade Inside Job, which is that shade that I use in my transition area, and I'm just going to focus that on the outer V. Alright, so now that that's placed in the outer V, I'm going to take the shade Trickery and I'm going to put that in the middle of the cut crease, and then I'm using the shade Diversion in that inner corner. Now with these shimmer shades, they are not like shimmery at all without Fix Plus because they're just so like dry. You see that? I just kind of dip my hand in it. It's more like a satiny. So I'm just gonna spray some Fix Plus on those shimmer shades so that they can pop a little bit more. I'm taking just a regular flat shader brush by e.l.f. to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on this Fenty Beauty because I'm black Flyliner. I'm also gonna put this Morphe Oh Brow Baby highlighter in my waterline, and then I'm gonna use these faux mink Ardell Wispies, and I'm just gonna put all that on, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so I'm back and here is the final look. Okay, so I will admit that this look is very extreme for me. I normally like to tone it down like a whole lot of levels, but I mean, you know, this could be cute for a night out when I'm doing something like really glam and really fancy. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look, and thanks for tuning in to another 31 Days of Eyeshadow palette here with me on my channel. If you like this look, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, your feelings, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified every single time that I post. And for the month of December, that is every single day. And with that, I will see you guys next video.